Yes guys, what is happening? Welcome back to a brand new video. I've been up since 2 o'clock watching UFC and it is ultimate dubs time. Owen is waiting outside in the car and we're going in separate cars because he's staying there all day and I just want to get there nice and early, have a look around and see what's about. So yeah, let's get to it and get to the video. Let's go. Oi, thanks for rushing me. Oi, what are you rushing me for? Why did you rush me? I was watching UFC. Anyone knows championship rounds are like 24 minutes. Let's give you a quick look around the car. Washed it the other day with Bear Care products and it has come up absolutely mint. So yeah, let's get on down to the show. Ultimate Dubs. And then we've got Owen's Corsa D 1.2. Easy there, getting fuel. So yeah, let's go. Right, and so we've just arrived at Telford services. There's no Mackey's, so I ain't staying there. I can't have a Burger King breakfast or Krispy Kremes and that. Apparently, Owen, that I just got here with, he wanted to take pictures of the car in front, so that's why he pulled in. There's not many cars here, to be fair. There's a couple of things and that, so yeah. Roll to Mackey's! Gotta have some breakfast, man. My stomach feels sickly and that, so I need a little bit of food and that, so yeah, let's get it. Oh, we've arrived at Mackey's! How'd you feel? Woo! Let's go. Oh, there's some people on airbags that have drum and bass because that's like the thing you do, innit? Slow drum and bass air ride. But yeah, let's go. We ain't about that in the race car. Woohoo! Ignore this, I need to put that in the bin. So, medium coke, hash brown, double sausage, muffins, pancakes, sausage, let's do it. Right then, so that's Mackey's done. We are going to drive to the destination. We haven't saw too many cars, been Golf. I guess it's going to be Golfs, S3s, RS3s, and your odd Golf R, GTI, all that Polo, Lupo, all that kind of stuff. So I don't think there's going to be any race cars today, but we'll have a look and see what happens. So hopefully it's a good day and we meet some sick people. I've got quite a few people. Artisan, one of them off the top, Has Visions. That's just a couple off the top of my head, but I'm going to meet a couple of people that I've never saw before, so it's going to be good to meet some of the people beyond the account. So yeah, let's get it and I'll see you soon. Right then, so we've arrived at the destination. We're on top of a car park. There's like no cars anywhere else other than ours pretty much. So yeah, we just wanted to keep them nice and safe. So yeah, no door dinging going on here, folks. So yeah, let's see what's about at this show. See, the madness is over there. Right then, so we've just arrived at the show. I'm not going to show you too much at the moment. We're going to wait till we're in, have a look round inside and that, see what it's about. Let the cars actually build up in the show and yeah. We'll go from there, so I'll catch you up in a sec. Here's a glimpse of what's out there. Tesla! So yeah, let's go.
What is he doing? Videoing your car?
Was he really? Yeah. Right then, so we're just walking through. I've been told I'm not allowed in. I have to go through a different exit. So we come from like down there. We said we couldn't go through, so we got to walk all the way around. So yeah, here's some Audis, Golfs.
So long at such high speeds.
Yeah, no track cars around here, unfortunately. But look at this, man. Audi RS3 saloon, even Venturi intake. That is the absolute tits. That's probably like what the value of your course for that induction kit there. pretty sick. Panoramic roof. Yes, got a panoramic roof. Boy, where you going, son? What's he doing? Being a prick. He might have a £3 intake, but can't afford coolant. So yeah, best get that topped up. If you got an RS3, you're gonna be ragging it. Right then, so we've just walked out of the show. I've got to pay 20 quid to get in, and you've got to pay like 4 quid to get money out. So yeah, we've just gone to get some cash out, and we're going to the shop now. Hooray! See people like that, you don't need them in your life. This lad here is trying to put me down. He's posting on his Instagram. Who the hell does he think he is? You know who I am, son? Just being idle, innit? Right, I just saw this in the car park here. I thought, you know, I've got to show you this. This looks absolutely sick to be fair. We've got a mad oil cooler. And this old man looks pretty sick. So shout out to whoever this is. I think it's a girl. It's got a yellow sub brace in it. And we got this. Is it? Nah, it's an E-Class that is. Sure it is. It's pretty tasty. C63, absolutely sick. Look at the colour of this, man. Wow, that's mad. Mate, look at that. What even is that? Absolutely insane, that does. Toyo Triple R8, so it means business. 1 seat, boost gauges, the lot. Wow. CAE shifter. Man, he ain't messing about with that. Fuel pump in the boot. That is serious, that is. Look, Maxton splitter, smashed a bit. Do you think on the YouTube channel I should do something like that? Just buy an absolute shit box and do whatever I want to it? Slow down, you're in a nice area. Is that in sport mode? Is it, yeah? You put it in Sports Plus? Yeah. Mate, this thing is insane. Even Tory intake as well. They're not cheap either, are they? Them intakes. Shit, what is it? Is it twin turbo?
Single.
is it single turbo these ones, and then the competition's M4?
Yeah, M4 engines.
That is mental, you know. Mate, this thing is absolutely insane, man. I love this colour as well, you know. Like, I'd want to wrap the car that colour though, man. That's the thing. It's got the rev gauge steering wheel and that, Alcantara, upgraded paddles, like the neon green seats. That's exactly like my hoodie, man. It's like my hoodie. Oh my god. It's got dry carbon fibre, auto. I think you could get away with an auto in a BM because obviously it's rear wheel drive and that. It's got your air ride suspension, all that. Man, it's so nice. But look at carbon, door cards, mate. Then you've got air ride, absolutely sick. Carbon bonnet.
That's alright.
With painted. Man.
Right off so you can see the air ride. Is that your drink under the car? You're about to run over a bottle of Fanta?
Probably.
Three.
Is he going to go under the wheel?
Pretty much, mate, yeah.
No, I dropped my drink.
This is it.
Mine.
Is it yours? That's something else. That interior is fucking bad.
Yes guys, what is happening? And we're back home. I really do apologise like how the video turns out, because I have all good intentions to go there and video, but I just like get there and there's that many cars and it's like, what do I do? Do I walk up to every single car and go, right, this is this, this is this, this is this? And the fact that I'm still shy with the camera, like in front of thousands of people, it's scary, man. People look at you and stuff, so I'm still nervous. So I'm hoping whatever you saw there, you enjoyed. I just find that struggle because there's no story to the videos and that, so it's literally just walking around looking at cars basically. But it's different with mods because I know what I've got to do. I've got to take something off, fit something, and then obviously there'll be an improvement in whatever we're doing. So yeah, that's not like that then. The neighbour was driving up the road and he was like staring at me like, what the hell is he doing with that camera? But YOLO, trying to get places and that. So yeah, I'll show you one thing that I bought. I did buy this Auto Finesse Total, I believe it is. My girlfriend's got like crap all over the seats. they're pretty dirty and stuff. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna give this little waz with the auto finesse. Someone predict me if I'm saying it right or wrong. Yeah, let's give it a blast on the seats and see how we go. And there we go, that's after. That is probably a cum stain. I'm only joking, it's not. But the seats have come up pretty nice. They need a vacuum because obviously the dog just molts like a mother chucker. That's just like from getting in the car. But yeah, look, don't look too bad. There's a bit of wear on the bolster there, but they look pretty damn good now. We'll give them a clean and that. So yeah, well happy with that. So use that auto finesse tool and the brush. That's it, easy as that. Nice little scrub up. So yeah, that's all for kind of today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you did, because it's a bit of a frustrating one. Shows are, because I love to have a start story and a finish of a story, and we just basically walk around, so there was no story. So yeah, videos are coming, man. I swear to God, I fucking love it. We're gonna do as much as we can on YouTube. We're gonna video whatever we can. I don't want to just video bullshit like today we put on a sticker, but I want to try and get stuck in, man. Whether it means sell the car, get a cheaper car, so I've got loads of money to play with, to like go ham. But I'm loving the Megane, man. The drive back today was so sick, and like I can't imagine it with a proper set of tyres, proper set of wheels, set up properly, coilovers. Oh man, it'd be phenomenal. It's phenomenal now, so imagine when it's like proper set up. So yeah, good things are coming, man. Don't worry. So I got till the end of March, and then things will start weighing themselves out, and it'll be a lot easier for me to spend £800 on a gear stick and get the Megane map. So yeah, stay tuned, and see you on the next one. Peace.